Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, good morning everyone. I'm Syawaliyah Putri Andini and I would like to tell you about tips and tricks to make our life happy in this era. I'm very excited to share with you some followable tips. Sometimes in a world filled with distraction, stress, and any other problems, but there are some habits and mindset that we can bring into our lives in order to improve it and most importantly become happier within ourselves. Then there are some outlines about tips and tricks. Let's get started. For the first line is introductions, about definitions and importance of happy life. Introductions. Happiness can be cultivated through gratitude, mindfulness, and self-care, as well as by pursuing passion and setting achievable goals. Embracing life challenges and celebrating small victories also contribute to a richer, more joyful, a happy life is also about finding balance and appreciating. And then further importance, there are 7 points based on Waldinger and Schools 2010. The first point is individual income. The second point is labor market status. The third point is psychical health. The fourth point is family. The fifth point is social relationship. The sixth point is moral value. And the last point is experience of positive emotions. When we are happy in most important relationship, our children, our parents, other close family members, and our friends, we tend to be happier. Okay, now the second slide about the benefits mental health. There are 4 benefits of happiness in mental health. According to the research, Good Mental Health Center for Disease Control of Prevention 2021, Seligman 2011, and Sanda 2021. For the post point is helping us manage stress, relate to others, and make positive choices in line with our values. The second point is intimately connected with psychical health, one affects the other. The third point is encourages feeling of being useful and relevant to society and offers the sense that our output is value. And the last point is increases our feelings of calm, happiness, satisfaction, and the sense that we have fulfilling life. Okay. The third slide about the factor of happiness. There are 5 points about the factor of happiness based on research mental health psychology. The first is meaningful and deep relationship with others. From the Harvard studies conclude that we enjoy better psychical and mental health when our social relationships are taken care of. Even without words, you can still enjoy deep, meaningful relationship and all kind of happiness by surrounding yourself with the people you love. The second point is living purposefully and gratefully. A life without direction can be incredibly challenging. One factor that constitutes happiness is living life purposefully and true to yourself. To find your purpose in life, explore your interests, prioritize, and mindsets. The third point is embrace giving and being kind. Happiness in life will being kind to one another. This could be a simple respecting someone boundaries, a secret they trust to you. And the fourth point is loving yourself. It's easy to blame external factor for something that happens to you or for how you feel. You will be able to focus on positive emotion and be happier. The fifth point is pursuing meaningful goals. When you love yourself, this point which crucial decision making your relationship, your emotional health, and your overall well-being. Okay, now the fourth slide is about tips how to create our happiness. Based on mental health psychology, there are 9 points about tips of happiness. The first point is get closer to nature. The second point is get more for your sleep. The third point is keep moving. The fourth point is be kind with smile. The fifth point is open-minded to new experience. The seventh point is make a plan for the future. The eighth point manage your feeling and learn to understand. The ninth point to talk someone for your support. And the last point be aware for drugs and alcohol. Okay. For the fifth slide is about something to avoid our happier life. Okay. There are five points based on research mental health psychology. Everyone wants to be happy and successful. Then we must avoid that can snatch away your dreams, hopes, and any other you want. The first point is worrying about future. You must effort to make your future come true. Do not worry about it. The second point is over possessive. Don't be over impulsive about anything and anyone. The third point is doubting your ability. You must be confident to do what you have chosen in your life without doubting your intention. And the last point is negative people. Try to avoid toxic people and negative people that you can never get inspirations. Okay, now the five slide is about summary. Based on research, mental health psychology, as human, we must keep positive thinking, eat healthy food, take care of our rest, giving you exercise, and avoid from toxic people or area. Before I close this presentation, there is some quotation from Aristotle. Happiness depends upon ourselves. Okay, thank you for attention. The last essay. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.